Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car has 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, you get cruise control with the speed limiter. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 17,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare. Thank you.